All right, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Yeah. This is a wonderful place, guys. A wonderful place. As you can see, my wife is now relaxed, nice and relaxed. Babe,
Yeah,
I'm
boy.
going to tell them. See, now this is good. This is good. Yeah. This place is beautiful, guys. Wonderful place.
Very beautiful.
Wonderful place.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Let's go down. Beautiful place. Let's go down. Right. So now here we walk. This is just a walking path where you can, walk and enjoy yourself. Some people are taking some videos. Yes. So you walk and you go straight up, and then you go straight up. That's how it is. That's how beautiful it is. Right.
Are we gonna be able to pass there?
Yeah, we pass. No, we pass, Mama. Don't worry. We passed yesterday. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how beautiful it is, guys. It's such a beautiful place. Beautiful place. Beautiful area. Beautiful area. Beautiful area. Beautiful place. Yeah. Wonderful place, guys. Wonderful place. Sometimes, I always tell people, God has brought us here in this world just to enjoy ourselves, right? It doesn't mean that you have to stay in one place. You don't just stay in one place. You go around, you see places. See, my wife is happy now. Let me go close to her. I know you wanted what you wanted to do. I know what you wanted to do. I know what you wanted to do. I got her today. I saw what she wanted to do. I'm coming. I'm coming. Right, my boy is coming. Let me see where my boy is coming. He's coming from the bush. Oh, coming from the bush. My boy is coming from the bush. Where are you coming from?
From the house.
Well, where's Lavin Eva? Lavin Eva.
You left your friend. Your friend is still there.
All right. Wonderful place, guys. Guys, next time we'll meet again when I bring you more new content.